Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for April 14th of 2025 is titled "The Galactic Center in Radio from MeerKAT." So what do we see here? Well, here we see the main image is an image from the MeerKAT array, which is a set of 64 radio telescopes that are located in South Africa and can be used together to create high resolution images of the sky at radio wavelengths. And this is through a process called interferometry. And that means that we're really taking the images from multiple telescopes and we combine them together to make an equivalent telescope equal to the distance between the telescopes. So instead of building one telescope that might be 100 kilometers across, you can put a dozen telescopes or so within that 100-kilometer area and combine their signals by looking at the same object at the same time and combine those signals to get one object with a resolution equal to the separation of the most widely separated telescopes being used. Now when we look here, we see Sagittarius A at the center, which is the central region of our galaxy, and does have another object there called Sagittarius A star within it, which is the central black hole at the center of our galaxy. You'll see a number of other regions around, including several supernova remnants, a couple off to the left and one down to the lower right, labeled as SNR. Those are supernova remnant stars that have exploded, and we're seeing the remnants of them. Now, we never actually watch these stars explode here from Earth because we can't see the galactic center like this in visible light. It's visible in radio waves because they penetrate the dust. So longer wavelengths like radio telescopes and infrared telescopes can allow to see through some of the dust and give us our pictures of the center of our galaxy. Now we also see an unusual arc there whose origin is actually unknown. So why this arc exists and what its formation history was is not something that we completely understand at this point. And then we see to the right, we see Sagittarius C, an interesting star forming region close to the center of our galaxy. And that is going to be studied here by the Webb telescope. And you can see the inset there of the Webb telescope looking into that and trying to study the effects of the magnetic fields in our galaxy on star formation. So just like Earth has a magnetic field and our sun has a magnetic field, well, the galaxy also produces a magnetic field that travels throughout the galaxy, and it's going to be stronger there closer to the origin of it, and perhaps that affects the star formation. So we can look at that and compare that to star formation in other regions much farther away and see what the comparison is, and if we can learn a little bit more about how magnetic fields do affect the formation of stars. So that was our picture of the day for April 14th of 2025. It was titled "The Galactic Center in Radio from MeerKAT." We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Star Cylinder. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.